Kirti. I'm from Bangalore. I completed my engineering with BITS in CSC by 2019. After completion of graduation, I have long career gap because my father didn't send me for a job. I just sit completely at home and wasted lot of time. After few days, I started preparing for banking exams, which is not successful. And recently, I got married in 2021. Based on my interest, my husband supported me to learn some new technologies. Through one of my friend, I came to know about full stack development conducted by ArcBase Technologies. I joined it. I completed my course in 3 months along with practice and real-time project which helped me achieve a package of 12.5 lakh in Neosoft Technologies. I am very thankful to ArcBase Technologies and team for organized teaching and placement support.